This video will show how ScreenMeet's AI summarization can be used to complement and enhance ServiceNow's Now Assist to provide a more efficient support service for employees and help desk agents. In the video, I'll show an end user, Julie Lewis, who's using the Employee Center looking for help with audio issues with Teams. We'll then look at a help desk agent working from the Service Operations workspace using ScreenMeet to connect to Julie's machine to resolve the issue, and then using ScreenMeet's AI summarization to create a knowledge article of the resolution. And finally, I'll show a different end user, John Jason, also in the Employee Center looking for help with audio issues on Teams, but this time using the previously created knowledge article to resolve the issue himself without the need to contact the help desk. So let's start in the Employee Center where, as you can see, Julie's logged in. So Julie's going to use Now Assist to create an incident and describe the issue that she is having. So it's audio issues in Teams. And then proceed with incident creation. Now, Now Assist will explore knowledge base to see if there's any information to see if Julie can self-serve. As you can see, nothing comes back for audio issues in Teams, so we're going to proceed with incident creation. We're going to give a urgency level on here and submit that incident to the IT help desk. So let's switch focus now to Service Operations workspace and our help desk agent, Steve. And as you can see in the queue here, we've got the issue that Julie raised. So we'll go into our incident and we'll start a ScreenMeet session. Now, as you can see, ScreenMeet is over here on the side panel. So we'll start the session. We're going to start with remote control. You also have options to start with admin and record the session, but we just want remote control for this purpose. There's a couple of ways I can get Julie into session. First of all, I can verbally give a PIN over the phone, but as this is coming through Employee Center, I'm going to send the link through the portal. So for the purposes of this video, we're not going to show Julie joining the session, but Julie received the link via the Employee Center, has clicked on the link and is now in session. And as you can see, the ScreenMeet component here now allows me to view screen. So I shall click on View Screen. It'll open a new tab in the browser and we'll be connected to Julie's machine where we now have full remote control of her device. And over here on the right-hand side, we have some tools that help the agent through the support process. But for this, we're going to be going straight into the Teams app, and we'll come down to About Teams here. I'm just going to check the version. So we can see that the version was updated today, so we know that's going to be fine. And so we'll go into our devices list, and we will make sure that the right device is selected, and we can see that only one device exists, so we know that's the right one. So just to make sure everything's okay, we're going to make a quick test call. Now we've completed the checks, the right device has been chosen, the audio test worked well, and so we're now going to end this session. So now the session is complete, ScreenMeet will generate an AI summary. As you can see from this format, we have a summary which just shows the steps taken to troubleshoot and resolve audio issues within Teams. It states that we followed the steps below to ensure that audio settings are correctly configured and operational. And then if you look at the steps taken, it actually shows, we opened Teams, we had a look at the version, we went to About Teams to check the version information. We went to the Devices tab, we checked the devices were okay, and then we initiated a test call to make sure that the audio functionality was working. So let's submit that as a note, and then we'll go back to our incident in ServiceNow, and here you can see that AI summary has been written into the notes. So using this content, our agent is going to come up to Now Assist here and generate a knowledge article. So the knowledge article from Now Assist will use the content created by ScreenMeet's AI summary and add that knowledge article to a knowledge base. And here you can see the completion here, and that knowledge article is available. So let's just recap what we did there. Julie was in the Employee Center. She had some audio issues within Teams, and Employee Center didn't have any knowledge articles to present back to Julie. And so Julie raised an incident with the help desk. The help desk agent connected to Julie's machine, resolved the issue, and then the help desk agent created a knowledge article based on the content created by ScreenMeet's AI summary. So let's see how that knowledge article can be used to deflect calls from the help desk. So we're now back in the Employee Center, but this time we've logged in as a different user. So now John Jason is the employee here that needs help. So John is going to create an incident with Now Assist. And as Julie did, he's going to enter an issue of audio issues with Teams and proceed with the incident. As you can see, Now Assist has generated a summary based off the content of that knowledge article. This is suggesting that John checks the Devices tab, makes sure the correct speaker is selected, and initiates a test call within Teams. It also has a link to the article itself. So if we click on the knowledge article, it will actually open the knowledge article that was just created. So here you can see the value of having great content in the incident notes to be able to produce strong knowledge articles that are useful for employees to deflect calls from the help desk. ScreenMeet's AI summarization is the perfect boost for Now Assist. ScreenMeet's AI summarized notes enable agents to create better documentation with AI-driven session summaries for each incident. When combined with Now Assist, you can enhance deflection rates by enriching your knowledge base, recommendations, resolution notes, and any other skills from Now Assist. Additionally, you can identify process improvements by analyzing agent actions, uncovering better solutions, and pinpointing training needs. For more information, please visit us at ScreenMeet.com.